Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in the settings. Of course, you guys can also do this right here, but we're gonna go over into the settings. Now we're gonna scroll down to display and brightness, and here you guys can easily adjust it. So as you guys can see, there's no flickers on the screen. But if you do experience flickering, then what you guys want to do is simply adjust the brightness so it doesn't flicker, and then disable the automatic brightness, because it will mess everything up. As you guys can see, the brightness is now too high. We want to set this up to our preference so it's not too dark and not too bright. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to download the screen dimming app. So we're going to go to Play Store, tap search, and search for the screen dimmer, and then we're gonna tap on the OLED Saver. We're gonna download this app right here. It has a 4.4 star review and the 100k plus downloads. We're gonna click install here, and it should install instantly because it's only 1.5 megabytes. And now we're gonna click open and grant the permission to modify the system settings to control the screen brightness. Next, as you guys can see, we need to give it the accessibility settings to update the overlay whenever we rotate our device by auto rotate or toggle the keyboard. So here we're going to go to general and then downloaded apps. We're going to go over and click on the screen dimmer, click use, and click I'm aware of possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. We're going to click on the checkbox right here, then we're going to wait 10 seconds, click OK, and now we can leave the accessibility. And the last one, to grant the notifications so the brightness bar appears right up top here once we enable everything. So let's enable it. Let me quickly lower the brightness for you guys. And now in the status bar, we got this. So we can easily adjust it right here just by tapping. And if we don't want to use this app anymore, we're going to click on enable service right here. But then we will need to change our brightness manually because it will put it at a very high setting from what we've had before. As a last resort here, what we're going to do is we're going to check our software updates. So we're going to go to the settings, now swipe up and go to about phone and tap HyperOS. Here you will see that I have no updates available, but if you do have an update, then make sure to do that. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software and just not keep any old glitches. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.